Welcome back to my cooking channel, Cook with Love. Today I'm making tequila lime cheesecake bars. And I'm gonna be using my Danos tequila. Cheers. Oh my God. I'm not eating them. I'm not cooked fully. I'm gonna put them in the Sunday sauce. Oh my God, stop! Oh my God.
Sorry.
How weird did I snort it? All right, go up, up, up. So let's get started. I have 1.25 cups of crushed graham crackers. So I'm gonna put them in the bowl. Then I have here 1/4 cup of melted butter. This is gonna make the crust for the cheesecake bars. And I'm gonna mix it together. After you mix the graham crackers, the crushed graham crackers and the butter, then you're gonna pour into your glass baking dish. Okay. And now I'm gonna lay it out, press it down to make the crust. So you wanna pat it really well. This is gonna be the bottom of the tequila lime cheesecake bars. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, so now we're gonna take the 16 ounces of cream cheese, put it in your bowl. Yeah, make sure it's softened before using it. Then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of sugar. So we're gonna beat this together until smooth and fluffy. Okay, we got that. Now I'm gonna put the zest of the lime in the cheesecake mix right here. So now I'm gonna squeeze the lime into the mix. Like that. So now we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of Danos tequila, 2 tablespoons of orange liqueur, and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Okay, and then we're gonna mix this together. And then just mix this together. This smells so good. Oh my God, I can't wait to try these. Okay, make sure you mix this together until completely combined. So after you mix this all together, now I'm gonna add 2 eggs, 1 at a time. I'm gonna stir them in 1 at a time. I think I'm gonna use a fork. I like that better. Here's my second one. And you just mix it in like that. So after you finish mixing it, then you're gonna pour it over the graham cracker crust. And make sure you get it into the corners. Okay, now we're gonna bake them at 20 to 25 minutes at temperature 350. Once the bars are finished cooking, then we're gonna take them out, let it completely cool off, and put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. It's a great dessert for the holidays, for a dinner party, a great adult treat. So I hope you guys love it. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you again. Love, love, love.